Just got this in today. Seen a lot of stuff about it. I'm gonna put my rings in it tonight, and I will do another video tomorrow to let you know what I find. I picked You're My Rock. Never tested on animals, vegan, alcohol-free, and non-toxic. This was not cheap. This was $75, but when you sign up for the first time, you get 15% off coupon. So I thought, you know, what the heck. So that's a slide off. It's packaged very nicely, very luxe. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna set this all up. Looks like the bottle was popping around. It took almost 2 weeks to get here. The shipping was a little slow. So we got this. And then we put this in there, like so. And then I gotta put my mixture in there. And you put the whole bottle in there, and then you fill it up with water, and it's supposed to be good for 2 months or until it gets dirty. So we'll see what happens. So I will post a video tomorrow. I will let my ring soak in it overnight. I cleaned my ring with an ultrasonic cleaner on Saturday. And I don't like doing that because I'm afraid the stone's falling out. That's why I got this. So we'll see what happens. Video to follow. Bye.